Good morning and welcome to a new episode of Draw With Us. I'm Sam.
I'm Emmy.
And today we're gonna draw
Captain Underpants.
Let's go, Emmy. Show me the way.
Okay, so first we're gonna start with the head. So we're gonna draw a rainbow shape. It's like a triangle but round. Okay, for the ears, we're gonna do these lines are right way and just gonna do a 6 in it. Okay.
So now I guess we continue with the nose.
Yeah. So you're gonna do a oval. And 2 little.
The eyes.
Two circles. We're gonna draw 2 lines for the eyebrows.
Eyebrow.
And for the mouth.
And now the big mouth.
Yeah,
with
so
the
we're
teeth.
gonna do a C a little bit up. And then we're gonna come down in a C that's thinner and lines the right way. Then lines in it and a big line
For
in
the
it.
teeth.
Yeah. And
All right.
then maybe we should draw
The knot,
the
because he has a big cape, red cape.
Okay, so we're gonna draw 2 curved lines, then a circle, then another curved line, 2 curved lines, and mark 4 and on the side, draw a curved line, and you're gonna connect it. Same thing on the other side.
Perfect.
Okay,
So now I think body with the arms.
yeah. So we're gonna leave a little space here because there's gonna be the arm. There's a line and a little bit curved.
Okay, so that's the belly, I mean the body and
Yeah.
upper body and the belly here. Okay. Now the arms.
Yeah. So you're gonna do a C and another C a little bit bigger, but it's a little bit weird to see like a rainbow. Then you do 4 fingers. So bump, 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 and bump.
He has big fingers.
Okay, and the same thing on the other side. C, bump, 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 bump. Then we're gonna draw his underpants.
Underpants, yeah.
So we draw the line here at the same of the
The arms.
hands.
Hands, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's slightly curved
Yeah.
so that you can understand that he has a big belly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we're gonna draw another line. And we're gonna draw tiny lines in it. he has some lines here. So we're going to do 2 curved lines like this. For his legs, we do one line like this, another line here. It's getting thinner and thinner. And then we draw a bump and
His foot.
yeah, and then there's a tiny bump here, and then it connects. Okay, and then same thing for the other one.
And now we need to finish the cape.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a little cape, but mine there's not a lot.
Yes. We don't have much room on the
so
left.
Imagine there's a line here for the cape. Then you do like this, and you do rainbow shapes like this. Just you leave a little space between the leg, and you connect it to the underpants.
Good.
Okay. He has little dots on his cape.
Okay, so let's do the
Let's
dot.
do dots. Okay.
Tu voudrais qu'on refasse ou non? Moi je continue bien.
Oui, ça va.
On va le colorier. Attends.
Okay, now we're gonna color. So we're gonna use red and pitch.
And like the color for the skin?
Yeah.
Okay, so shall we start with the skin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bon.
Alright, you did go fast. So now the cape in red.
Oh.
Oh, you forgot the dot here.
There's a hole in it. C'est bon?
And here we go, we are done. Captain Underpants.
Pants.
So remember what we do now?
Yeah, we sign the paper.
We sign it so that it's a good souvenir for when you will be a grown-up.
Yeah. And you put the date. Oops.
And the year, yeah. Nice one. It's actually more difficult than it seems to draw Captain Underpants, right? So it's a good job. High five. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell button so that you will receive a notification when we post new videos, and see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye.